going to just give it a little bit of clear on the, I did have the primers on her nails already. Just want to get really thin layer of how did your salon reopen? What, go Nancy? Okay, hold on. Did I miss it? How did your salon reopen? Go Nancy. Yeah, our salons reopen today. Is the first day? No, it's last week. Last week, huh?
It's allowed to be open.
Last week is allowed to be open, but we put it 1 week behind. We still only take appointments and really like space the clients out. And a lot of really good clients, they are really patient and they're so support and they do what they're supposed to do. So like their skin, their health is our priority, you know, so keep everything safe. They have to have masks to come in, wash their hand, and we have the table shield to protect, and then we have all the information from the classes clients, so they don't really need to like filling out anything, but then we have all that, and then we like consult with clients before they even like come for appointments. How is that your nails is like that? Alice, she's got to pick at her cuticles like me. If I don't have a nails, what I'm doing, I pick it like this. I don't know if any of you, but me, I'm gonna sit and pick my thumb like that. So then it's my cuticle is getting really upset. Did it go well with your opening? Yes. Be honest. We have so many phone calls from so many days throughout the, you know, like closing time. People like, Nancy, were you willing to open a salon for us? And I was like, you know, I can't. I would love to, but definitely I can't. So everything is great. Everybody's so understand. We talked to the clients since like last week when it's placed. Like, you know, if they can't wait for you, that's totally fine. We understand it. But if you are really supporting, they should wait for you because they know that they go somewhere else, they couldn't get the nails done like that, and they have to end up like pay more to get it fixed and stuff. So really appreciate that. It's nice to see like your regular, but we keep, you know, the staff and the clients is safety is our priority. So we're not rushing like getting people in slam of the day at all. It's like space out. It's great. And so okay, so I'm using, let me getting the number. I should do it clear, but I'm adding something on it. But I make it like a little bit fade look. But you can pick any colors on this, okay? I think it happened that I picked this. I really like that though. It's cool. You can change the different, and you can do a different background. It doesn't have to be a green. You can do yellow. I think yellows look cute. This number is 56A, just in case you're asking. So I did one thin coat of 56A, like a green, and one layer of touch of colors. So now I'm gonna pick up some, just a little bit of clear, right wherever you want to place your whimsical. You can do flowers. You can do I think you can do flowers. You can do butterflies. You can do however you want. I think it looks so stunning though. So cute. Maybe you get the slide of cantaloupe. Hi Vicky. I was like say hi earlier. I just want to make sure that I saw you. I feel like I want to get smoothie. Yeah. Ali, do you think?
Fruit parfait?
Or fruit salad.
Fruit salad. Right. You can do more than that. It's great, I think. All right. So I try to get them like right in the center. You don't want to be too bulky on the side. So then when you find them or cap them with clear, it's not gonna just give you a hard time. go back and pick another. How everyone doing today, Tuesday? You know, be honest. Here's what I'm thinking. Reopening is nice because I finally get to see clients, and but in the meantime I get really like take back a little bit and have to really think and reconsider with whole staff, you know, team, and with the clients, you know, how to keep them really safe, and so follow the protocol and all of that. So excited, but also I will let you know how things go by the end of this week. So we didn't like will space the clients out, and we didn't really slam them because I don't want to put a lot of stress on the whole team and a lot of stress on the clients, because sometimes clients say Nancy is gonna be so slam and busy. So and I doing like a later appointments or earlier because we don't want like we you know what, we even take whole entire our waiting area away, so there are no waiting area, no magazine, nothing. I remove everything like beautiful decoration on the station. The station has got nothing but the shield. So then all the team, like, you know, member won't have to worry about to cleaning it after or keep it like sanitize, and I took it away already. So nothing to keep. It's from so I don't know if I miss any question at all. I have Isabella here. Isabella, say hi. She's quiet behind the scene.
So playing all day, so she's tired.
She is? Oh, you know what? I need some this. What is it? Lemon? No, this is lemon?
That's
no.
lemon. That's
This is
lemon.
a lamb
The
or
green one
lemon?
is lime.
Oh,
Green
okay.
is lime, yellow is lemon.
Ali say whatever. I don't care. Just put it on there. Say okay. Haha. Super cute. Hi, Isabella, sweet. Thank you so much, Tina. I love those glitter underneath. Yeah, yes, I love it too, Foxy. It's just, it give it really, it looks simple, but it's have a good dimensions in there.
And I really love the color. From Facebook.
Hi, Marie. How are you? Thank you so much. So if you have the Chiso nail art, the color is I just doing a thin coat. But if you have something similar like this, play with this. I think it's gonna be cool though. I'm doing a thin coat. Put the glitter on. How is that one happening here? Ah, so cute. I can't wait to try all 12 of them and see how it's like reflection it out. I want. Should I do this one? This is lemon. Is that right? Look like lemon. No, is the skin the lime? Hold on, I'll get messed up. Okay, yellow is lemon. I was getting messed up, everyone.
Green is lime.
Ah, can't take me anyway. I said, wait, what did I do? Get a piece of banana. Yeah, you can trim it half. Some of them is already pre-cut, and some of them are just get the scissors and just cut it. Look at that. What do you have on your thumb though? Can I see your thumb? Did I the thumb? Some thumbs will have a different one. Maybe you should cancel up in there. I would do a really thin coat because in that way you have like enough to do the cap on without looks bulky. This is really simple, easy for beginner as well. I just use this a little bit. Let's give a little bit in. The glitter of the color is already pretty, but if you add, it's like I feel like really cool. Like earlier, this is the second set. It was so beautiful. From one of the clients loved it because her son picked it and they said, Ali, I really didn't like it, but we're doing it different. We're using a touch of color instead of greens. I'm gonna get the whole slide for you in here. Let me pick some of the clear. There you go. Kiwi. No banana on this one. What you can do whatever you want. If you like banana, put some banana on.
Wendy Grandma say hi.
Wendy, hello. How are you?
And Maria says she's a beginner, so she's learning right now with you.
That's awesome. Just like do exactly what I share with you. Marie, so it's really simple, easy. So I haven't capped anything yet. I'm gonna go ahead and using the coral because later we're gonna do design this nails. So here is the techniques for beginners. Do one bead. If you're doing a long nails, you can really like not afraid of doing long nails. Get one bead first and then do it like close to where your apex is and work it the way down. Things in my touching my tower, so make sure that you get it all. And guide the powder right in the center. And then if you're a beginner, just trying to get like small portion. Do not like panicking and just get a big portions of your, I think it was in the brush at first when I didn't wipe it good. Christy, the color? You mean this color or the green color? This color is number 23. This color is number 23. And this green color is the coral number 23. And then this is OM56A. I'm showing the ombre.
So Marie says she's a student from nail school, but right now class is, I guess, delayed due to the whole thing, so she's learning from home.
Oh, nice. Good, so you can learn it visual from home. Oh, welcome to Glitz. We're all about sharing and inspiring learning from each other. So I get the second beads and get closer to the cuticles, but not like too close. And I get just a little bit smaller portion right here. And make sure I got if you're missing and if you feel like missing some of spot, you can use either like add a little bit more portions on. Try not to get in. Looking good. There you go.
Okay.
Awesome.